Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Girl on Guitar. We have a new, fresh song here from JVKE and Forrest Frank. It's called Never Get Used to This. So this is brand new. It was like 10 minutes ago since it was released. And it will be about 1 hour or maybe less since it will be recorded and uploaded here on YouTube for you guys. So this is how we work. We work fresh. Sometimes we just take songs and just do it like we do it here. So yeah, never get used to this. Great song there from JVKE and Forrest Frank. Let's take a look at this one. We'll work mainly with bar chords only. So we'll not have any use for capo. We're going clean here. We're gonna go over the 4 chords needed. So let's start with the G sharp minor. That's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 4th fret and you bar all strings there. And then you need to add 6 on A and 6 on D. The next chord will be the F sharp. Alright, so that's another bar chord this time where you bar the 2nd fret, all strings there as well. And then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. We have the E next, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be C sharp minor. And that is a bar chord as well, 4th fret, but you don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below you have to. So put a bar there, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Okay, so there you have all the chords: G sharp minor, F sharp, E, and C sharp minor. Now, we have 2 versions of playing this, and that's how it goes in the song. It starts with the easier version. You're just gonna play 2 downs per chord, okay? So the chord progression will be G sharp minor, F sharp, E. That's the first half. And the second half will be C sharp, E, and F sharp. So 2 downs per chord, it will sound like this. Alright, that's 1 round. You're gonna play this chord progression from the beginning till the very end. I'm gonna mention that right now. So, if you noticed, the pauses was longer after the first E chord and the last F sharp, okay? So, that's the value of them. You have G sharp, then F sharp, then E. And then you wait a pause there, twice as long as the other chords, and then you do the same but with these chords C sharp, E, and F sharp. Pause. Pause. Like this. All right, very easy. That's the chord progression, and we're gonna apply the same chord progression again, of course, but now with a different strumming pattern. All right, so we're gonna go chord by chord, starting with G sharp minor again. You're gonna start and play down, up, down, and then you change to F sharp and play up clap. We can stop at that point and do the final chord of this first half later. We'll just do the G sharp minor and F sharp first, down, up, down, and then shift and play up clap like this. Okay, and then you go to E and play down, up, down, up, down, up. That means 3 times down, up, down, down, up. And then you're gonna play the clap and then up, down, up. So E is down, up, down, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And that's the end chord of this first half. Then you're gonna apply the same playing but on the next half's chord. And the chords will be C sharp minor. You're gonna play down, up, down in the same way as you played for the G sharp minor. And then you go to E and play up clap in the same way as the F sharp. And then you go to F sharp and play that in the same way as E, down, up, down, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So like this. And that's the end of the strumming. All right, so it takes a while, 5 minutes maybe or so to get the strumming right. Perhaps you will do it quicker than I do, but anyway, I can show you to demonstrate it. It goes like this. And slowly. And then a new round. And there you have it, guys. JVKE and Forrest Frank's collab with Never Get Used to This. I really hope you enjoyed it, guys. And I have fun when taking out songs quickly like this. A bit challenging, I agree. But yeah, sometimes you gotta flare up like that. So anyway, thank you for supporting me, guys. I really enjoy doing this for you. I hope you can give me something back, like, or maybe subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. So appreciate all that, and until next time, play tuned.